Sawadee krap tukon. Today we are going on a chill wheel adventure. So come along and paigang lai. So today we are here in Samut Sakhon in the little town of Bangkok, which is about 1 hour from Bangkok. And this is a mangrove preservation area. And here you can rent bicycles, motorbikes, even ATVs to ride around this 8-kilometer circuit with lots of nature, jaw-dropping scenery, local life, and very chill vibes. Sabay-sabay. The path is pretty easy to ride through. You might just encounter some obstacles like kids racing, lazy cats, or Fast and Furious bikes. But besides that, it's very peaceful. So turns out this is the closest spot that you can meet the sea from Bangkok, located on the Gulf of Thailand. And here I found this very suspicious bamboo bridge, which obviously I had to go through. Why not, right? Look how cool, guys. Here you can see the plantation of the mangrove trees. I wonder how long it's gonna take for it to turn into like a big forest. If you know that, let me know in the comments. I just know that they are like very important for marine life. The mangrove areas, they have like a huge biodiversity, and I think that's due to their weird shaped roots, and also they protect the land from big storms and big waves, which I highly appreciate since it's not that far from Bangkok. Anyways, let's keep going. Well, I reached the end of the bridge, but just to pretend that I was not scared, I'll put a little video of me walking gracefully on it. On the ride back, I ran into this stunning sunset, so I had to stop a bit just to appreciate it. And that's when I noticed there was this gentleman in the water. And later I asked him what he was doing, and he said that he was catching oysters and seashell to sell it later. So here you can literally buy very fresh seafood and help the local community. Amazing. And I also found out that this area is known for having red-headed eagles, and I was very lucky to see one. What a day. So after all this cycling, I gotta hydrate a bit. Let me know in the comments if you like this tip, leave a like if you can, and check this video on the screen for the part 1 of this awesome road trip from Bangkok. Vai, Léo, na?